Good morning, guys. It is bright and early, day 2. We arrived yesterday. This is day 2 in Vancouver. I'm starting my day off with a nice little coffee, nice little black coffee out here on the deck, or what was the balcony, sorry. Out here on the balcony, got a black coffee because we got no cream. To say that I'm missing out on anything would be a lie. Look at this. Look at this shit. Back there, you have the harbor, you have the port, all in Vancouver. Then, actually, right down there, there is it's tough to see in this camera, but right there's actually a volcano that is from Seattle, Washington, in the States. So you can see that from here. It's pretty cool. But look at that, guys. Look at that. What a way to start my fucking morning. Can you have a bad day here? Like, is there such a thing when it's so beautiful? Jeez, man. Downtown's so beautiful. There's so much to do here. It's such a... I feel like there's so much growth that could happen here. I just want to be in an environment like this, and it just feels so attracting. It feels intense, and it feels like you gotta step up to the plate, but it feels like it's like that motivation to get to that level. You see everyone leveling up. In Winnipeg, like last night, guys, I seen my dream car of a G-Wagon. AMG, but not only was it just the G-Wagon, it was fucking Brabus. Like, for those of you who don't know, Brabus takes like the top of the line vehicles and makes every engine part, every spec of it to like the best it possibly can be. So when you get your car done by Brabus, you know it's like the best of the best version of that vehicle. Like, you can go to the dealership and get the best version, and it's only like 10% of what this vehicle can be, because they do everything to it. Now, I don't know the exact specs on each vehicle, what they do, but I know they just take it to the extreme. So when you see a Brabus, you know it's got the guts and the performance of like the best cars in the world of that make and model. Yesterday I saw a G-Wagon, Brabus. The only person I've ever known to have one of those is Wes Watson. If you don't know who Wes Watson is, look him up. Dude's a G. And he's all the way in Miami, man. Just see when here in Vancouver, just like, the game has changed. It has elevated. This has increased my mindset. This has increased my drive to just want to do more, be more, and just get after it. It's made me so hungry. This is amazing. Like, this is life-changing. What are we doing now, babe?
Peeing.
Oh. maybe you can help me. What are we doing now, Kierra?
We're gonna go get breakfast.
And then?
Where are we gonna get breakfast?
I have no idea.
Omega or something? Zach? What's the place we're going for breakfast? Oh, he's in the bathroom too. Oh, everybody's in the...
Coffee in the bathroom? You want to chug that or no?
Where are we going for breakfast, babe?
Omega Cafe Pork Moody.
Oh.
I could not say that again. Omega
Cafe Port Moody.
Port Moody.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh. Okay.
And then we're going to a big waterfall
Yes.
to swim at the bottom of the waterfall.
Yeah, that's dangerous, but sure.
Okay, we're not going to swim at the bottom of the waterfall.
Omega Cafe, we getting some food. That's healthy.
Going to Omega Cafe. So, Zach's apparently been here before, so it's good. But look at this view. Shit, son. That is crazy.
Special.
Thank you, sir. Even though we had to secure the goods, we had to get the goods.
Did you get some for Zach?
Oh, hell yeah.
You want to put this in the back, or are you going to put them in the ID bag?
Put them in the back.
Stop it.
Yeah, I just got that. It took me a minute.
Yeah, I just got that.
Just, your wife's being mean, man.
Yeah, put it in there. Is that a little cubby thing?
I want to stuff it in there.
Oh, I thought that was this is a cubby
poopy water.
The poopy water?
Thank you.
Oh, we're slacking. We're slacking and getting caught. Thank you. Jeez. We're in the middle of the street here. Alright, let's regroup.
No, I want to eat.
That guy's jacked.
Yeah.
That tiger's got some muscles. They intentionally did that.
Is this a furry?
Yeah, no.
That's a king.
Yeah. Kind of looks.
Maybe it is.
I know. I'm.
Yeah. The closer we get, I'm getting suspicious.
This is gross over here too.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Dry and marshy. Alright, let's crack these bitches open and see what we got. Let's see.
What's that? Oh, okay.
See
I
the
guess that's true.
see the grand reveal, Teagahan. Are you excited? Food?
Yeah, but I don't think it's going to be enough for me though. I should have got more. Because I'm a hungry girl. How do I open this thing? Oh my god. That looks delicious. This is yours with, you got ham and bacon?
I got just bacon.
Oh, you got just bacon. There you go.
Yeah, thank you. Careful, there's a thing in the middle. Toothpick.
Thank you.
Studio is dropping.
What do you get?
Another Powerade, James? Carol G and
Powerade?
Hey, they have a blue roof.
Oh yeah,
But I want to put a blue roof.
they do too.
Now dry upper and keeps your feet dry and protected in the
How do you
rain.
feel about that, Kierra?
This is a little test for the drive tomorrow.
A little bit nervous.
What about you,
You can tell
Teagues?
by her face.
What about you?
I'm excited.
Zach?
Get to your destination in
Ready to rock and roll.
Rock and roll, baby.
Me?
Las BC and Seattle with our
I know Zach's got this. We're fine.
with our everyday low fares starting from just $79.
Just kidding.
He's confident in Zach's capabilities.
Yeah. What falls is this?
Cascade.
Cascade Falls.
Go up this way.
Alright, welcome to Cascade Falls Regional Park. Guess I could have waited until I saw the sign and it would have
Cascade Falls.
answered my question. No drones. Oh,
Good thing we didn't bring ours.
right? That thing would have. That.
Helicopters around here. Hydraulic suction again. Exists at the base of waterfalls. Do not be fooled by the appearance of calm water. Undertows and back currents can pull a
Yeah,
swimmer
that's how I
under.
almost died.
Oh, yeah.
You almost died, eh?
That's unfortunate. It was
You did?
Know about that.
Yes, in New Zealand.
Oh, I thought you meant here. Like, what?
No. On that whitewater rafting, I fell off. You knew that though, didn't you?
Level right now. The other part by the car is the lower level.
Oh, I see. That makes
It all clip.
that makes sense. Oh, we're on a hill. Do you consider it? If you decide. Oh, it's stairs.
Wow.
Down there. How did they get down there?
Did we try and cross that log?
Oh yeah. That log is still over there. That'd be a sick photo to get sitting on it.
Hey guys. Stay where we can see it. Right? Come in, guys. try and see the log on it.
It's gonna be at
Right there. Zach, move to your left a little bit. Move to your left a little bit, guys. See two.
We need the waterfall next.
Yeah,
Zach?
a little bit more.
A little bit more?
A little bit
A little
more.
bit more? Where is it?
A little bit more.
A little bit more?
Yeah, right there. Perfect. I got a screenshot.
We're gonna selfie on the bridge together.
This is going to be, we're going over the bridge here. Oh, it's graded. That's peanuts, boy. That's so cool. Let me switch hands. That's so fucking cool. That is wild, bro. That is so fucking cool. Look at it all up the side there. Babe, look at it running down there. It's crazy, guys. I fucking love this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. You can feel the mist from right here. That's so beautiful. And look where we're at, guys. This is incredible. Yeah. Oh yeah, right there. There's the man. Oh yeah, baby. Right down here. That's cool. Yeah, man. Fucking right. This is too cool, man. Woo. That's gnarly. Woo! Yeah, man! Woo! That's gnarly. Hello.
6 energy drinks is unnecessary.
Depends who you ask.
And one.
Who you ask.
Right?
Right?